can't believe the hard day at work that we had today, right, bro? Crap! That's right, crap. Because that's what I feel like doing right now. Oh my gosh! Look at this, eh? Look at this mess, eh? You know, you gotta take care of your daughters too, huh? Crap! Hey, what's going on in here, guys? What is this? A party?
I want you up. You up. And crap you.
You know I got something. You know you're Mexican when you have like 15 kids living in one apartment and you have so many kids, eh? Right, Holmes?
Yeah.
No ways, Holmes. So what are you doing, eh? Are you becoming a tagger? Huh? What are you doing writing on the wall? Are you gonna be a chola when you grow up?
Look at us.
That better be your homework that you're doing, because if it's not, I'm gonna have to hit you, eh?
Sure.
Tell your daughter something, eh?
You do your homework. Now. I don't have homework.
Hey, don't let them put their hands on you, Holmes. That's how they get them. When they get bigger, Holmes, they're gonna whip your ass. Hey, you, go sit down and go do your homework, eh? And look at this guy, eh? Freaking crap! Look at that belly.
You're the great son.
No wonder they call this guy Gordo, eh? You know what? What they call you, little girl? What they call you, eh?
Skinny weenie. Skinny weenie. Huh? What? Do something weird.
You know what I think? Hey, yo, you know what I think? I think that this guy is eating all the food and that's why he's so skinny, huh? Eat the rounds?
Yeah.
Anyways. Really. So anyways, you guys better start cleaning or get a job.
How you like rich kids? We don't have no job.
Get a job! Give me that! That's pretty nice, eh? That's pretty nice, I gotta tell you.
That's crap. You're freaking midget.
Is that homework? That's not homework. Get your ass over there. Now do your homework before I get the bell. You want me to get the symbol, right? Hey, Holmes. You know what, Holmes? I'm tired of this, Holmes. I'm gonna give these kids up for adoption, Holmes. What do you think?
I'm gonna sell all of them.
Huh? Hey, don't ever lay hands on your fat puppy, eh? Hey, you! That's enough! That's enough. I'm gonna call the army patrolman. He is gonna come over and he's gonna take you. I'm gonna take you guys to boot camp. That's enough, eh? That's enough. That's enough. I give up. I'm gonna have a heart attack with these kids. Give me that.